Well, here, so here's the deal, dude. So you're not getting filmed on camera, so I'm making a phone call. I'll slap some cuffs on the front, and then you can make a phone call to get someone to pick up the car, okay? Sound good, dude? I'm being straight up.
Come on, bro. Like, come on, see? Come on, that's tough, bro. That's tough, man.
I didn't even want to. Here, you
come on, man.
I'll hook you in the front so you can make your phone call, right?
Stuff like that, because I didn't, come on, man. Officer, you have big domain, come on. You just go check my fucking car. I'm not gonna run from these guns. What the fuck? I know exactly where I'm at. Man, come on, man. This is not even cool, because I didn't even know. I didn't sign no ticket, homie. I mean, you guys are trying to tell me I have a warrant for what? A warrant for what? Come on, bro. Like, yeah, but he didn't give me a ticket. So, and then I'm supposed to know that I have a warrant? Come on, bro.
Hey, make the phone call.
Man, that's not even cool, man. That's not even cool, bro. That's not even cool, man. That's not even cool, bro. Straight up. Nah, you don't need to take nothing out. You already know who I am.
No, I know, but you can't.
Man, that's not even cool, man. Straight up, officer. That's not cool, man. Come on. I'm being fucking for real, G. That's not fucking cool. Now you're switching me like, what the fuck? I don't got no weapons.
I know, I just yeah, come on.
Like, come on, officer. That's not even cool. You know I didn't have a warrant. I didn't know I had a warrant. You know how I approached you. How did I approach you? That's what I'm saying. So out there, I'm like, come on.
Have a seat here, man.
I'm really about it. Come on, man.
No, I don't want to take you out there. I'll do it. Come on.
Like that, man. I didn't know I had a warrant, bro. I was fucking fixing myself, man. Like, come on, man. I know that, but I'm not trying to go, like, I'm not saying that. I'm just thinking, like, hey, I know the bad thing, I didn't ask you to straight up, officer. I come over here to come visit the guy right here. Ask him if I don't come around to you. I just came to see him real quick and he came to see my dog. I'm not tripping, I didn't know I had a warrant. All I'm asking is nicely with all the other, like, you guys can work. I mean, like, when you guys sit in my car, man?
Somebody come pick you up. Or not pick you up. Get here, pick up your dog. I'll stand right here. I'll shut the door, right? We can put it in this one. So hopefully, yeah, hopefully someone's gonna come pick it up. Right. All right.
Are we on cops?
He does like First Amendment auditing and stuff, so he drives around, films us and stuff, or when there's stops. So, yeah, he has nothing to do with us. I think he's kind of his own thing. But so thank you for telling me. The last thing I want to do is tow his car on top of him.
Yeah, no.
Just ignoring it.
Why is he gloating out?
So he said that you can take the keys and all that stuff, so I'll give that to you, and then he'll go.
But he's really good at taking
Hey, he wants her to.
Captain Spock, that's what's going on right now.
No.
That's why this person's here.
What?
Are you going to do all this stuff?
Yeah.
We'll take it slow. We'll take it slow.
Okay. Okay.
I'll let you talk to me.
Okay.
So, this headlamp, please, weed pipe. Hey dude, so you're with us here. We're going to take your ID.
Hey, deputy. 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 Just knocked on their window. Dang, another complaint.
Dispatch, Clayton.
Did you say Clayton?
Yes.
Hi, Clayton. I'm recording this call just to let you know. I just need help identifying 2 deputies from a time, date, and location that I have.
Okay, so do you know if it was a call for service that they were on, or?
No, it was an arrest for warrants.
Okay, at what address?
This was at the Chevron on Calle Joaquin and LOVR.
Let me take a look here. When was this on?
This was on October 14th.
Okay, so it looks like it was Deputy Burks and Deputy Doherty.
Burks. How do you spell those?
B-I-R-K-S.
Okay.
And then Doherty is D as in David, O-H, E as in Edward, R, T as in Tom, Y.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
No problem.
Bye.